Hi, this is Reet here from Reet Jewelry, the wholesalers and manufacturers of AD Jewelry. Today I am here to show you our two designs in combo sets which are most demanded for our clients based out of India especially. Let's begin with the first design. Both are in floral designs. The first one, it's with a pink stone, which is a very unusual color in AD. The complete rhodium plating, it's in pure rhodium plating, AAA star cut stones, which are the premium quality or the export quality, and the base metal used is brass. A beautiful set for a western wear. These are the earrings. Look at the stones, the diamond setting. It's just, look at the shine. It's just very exclusive. You have in combo sets necklace, earrings, finger ring and bracelet. Now the added point here I would say is both the bracelet and finger ring, both are openable or adjustable, so there is no worries for the sizes. We have 7 to 8 colors in this set, and if you have something of your choice, anything which is different in color, yes, you can get it manufactured with us. Maybe as we have it ready in stock as rhodium plating, but if you want it gold plating or maybe rose plating, or nowadays Victorian plating is also in trend. So whichever is your requirement, any color or any plating, you can surely get it manufactured with us. As we being the manufacturers, we will match your requirements. Please do share with us. Now let's begin with the next design. This is a rose flower set. Again same, a AAA star cut stones used here, pure rhodium plating, base metal is brass again, so you get only the premium quality with us, with the blue stone in between. This is also a combo set. You get earrings, necklace, earrings, again the ring and the finger bracelet. Ring is again adjustable, bracelet is openable, so no issues with the size. And this also we have 4 to 5 colors, as per if you want something different, same you can get it manufactured with us. Please do share your requirements. The first design which I showed you will have a mint green in this. It's very trendy color nowadays. Now this I would specially like to share with you, a yellow color stone. This is a very unusual color. Normally we go and we have in yellow colored dress or something, we don't get easily yellow with to match our outfits, but that's why we got this manufactured, so that we can meet our customers' requirements. A yellow shade which is very beautiful, a bottle green, a lovely shade in green. Some clients don't prefer colors, they just like pure silver, pure white rhodium color, so it's for them, which will go with every outfit. This is now the champagne color, which is mostly loved by our clients based out of India especially. A champagne for them. A baby pink I already shared with you. Now in this design, the second design which I showed you, complete white again, Blue I have shared with you. Pink stone, lovely and usually used in AD jewelry. Pink, which will again go with any outfit. Combo sets are very it's of benefit. Sometimes if you don't feel like wearing the complete set, you can just carry yourself with only earrings or maybe just fingering and bracelet. It's completely your choice. It will anyways enhance your beauty. A mint green, a bottle green, again champagne, so please choose your color now. We have limited stock. Before the colors are grabbed away, grab your colors for yourself. And for further requirements in wholesale or manufacturing, any details, please WhatsApp me at the number given below. Thank you.